It's springtime here and it's gardening time. We cannot afford not to bring something to share at the garden. That's why I bake pumpkin or kalabasa roll from last year's harvest. Join me and let's represent the recipe. Let's share it to the world. Thank you for coming back to Channel 1, your growing, cooking and sharing channel. Let's join Romulo and friends at the garden. Greetings from the garden. It's a very special day today because it's the inauguration of our solar panel. Thank you, Alex. Finally, we have power. Okay, let's go. Okay, Ludo. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much. So, if you notice, the lighting improved, we have guests from the south of the country. Oof. Thank you for the chayote. If you remember the chayote video, and I gave thanks to the Ducejo sisters. She's a younger of the Ducejo sisters. Yeah. Thank you, Rose. Now,
you're welcome.
I wasn't able to cook today because of the gardening activities, but I have to bring cakes because it's expected. And of course, it's not weekend gardening without champagne. It has been a tradition. This is umpun or kalabasa roll or pumpkin roll. If you remember the kalabasa or the pumpkin that I harvested last year, this is the last portion. This is kalabasa or pumpkin roll. You can find the recipe and the baking video in the description box. I froze the last portion of this, and this was our first baking attempt. It was really good. Very simple and easy to make. Just 2/3 cup naman ang grated here. 2/3 cup flour and 2/3 cup kalabasa puree or pumpkin puree. 1 cup sugar. Really very easy. I can even remember all the ingredients. What else? And 1 teaspoon. What's the word? And 1 teaspoon.
Bake.
No. And 1 teaspoon cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon.
Not easy. I have to speak Ilocano to my manang. Manang kutsilyo man, please.
Well, datan eh.
Oh, good. See, it's against our religion to speak English.
Really?
Okay. Okay. So, traditionally, the filling is just made of cream cheese and sugar. But instead, this time, I use Swiss buttercream, which is more stable. Thank you, well. And here, hit platsen here. It's a short presentation today. We have to do the gardening. But I hope to have you again next time as we post a full feature. See you on the next video. And if gardening and cooking are your thing, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. Fridays and Wednesdays.